everyone. On this Tip Tuesday, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the easiest, quickest way to clean out the inside of your microwave. Now, my mom has been doing this my whole entire life, so if you hear it from anyone else, it's from my mom. Okay, anyways, so the first thing you want to do is you want to get a bunch of paper towels and you want to get them really wet. They should be practically dripping water. Like, that would be a good sign. The next thing you want to do is open up your microwave. Now the inside of my microwave is black, so you can't see all the crud really stuck on there. Like if it was white, you'd be able to see it, but you'll see it once I wipe it off. Okay, we're gonna remove the plate, stick this in the dishwasher. We're then gonna remove this thing. Now we're gonna take our wet paper towels and we're gonna put them in the microwave, just like that. Now we're gonna set our microwave for 2 minutes. 1 minute might do it, but I always like to give it 2 minutes because you want it to get really steamy, and all that steam is what's gonna make cleaning your microwave so easy. Once your microwave goes off, you're gonna wanna set the timer for another 5 minutes. And we do this because you have to give the steam time to percolate into all the crud that's in there, so it will be easily able to wipe off. If you try to wipe it off right away, it still will be a little tough. Now that 5 minutes is over, we're gonna go ahead, open up the microwave, we're gonna take our paper towels, and now we're gonna wipe out the inside just like this, and all of the crud comes right off. Oh, I wish you could see this a little better, but it just steam cleans it, and you can just wipe off all of the splatters and grease and everything, and it just comes off like butter. I don't even know if that makes sense. Sometimes what I like to do too is after you take your paper towels and you wipe off the inside, I then love taking some of the Myers spray because I just love the way that it smells. And sometimes I'll even give it like a little spray on top of that just to make sure it's like all nice and clean and dry, really. So I take some dry paper towels and some Miss Myers spray, and sometimes I'll go over it a little bit, and that's it. Ta-da! Now that our microwave is completely clean on the inside, that was absolutely seamless. Most of the time it was just waiting for the steam to percolate. Now we're gonna put this back, and I went ahead and I hand washed this, but like I said, you can just throw it in the dishwasher, and that's it. Your microwave is perfectly cleaned. It's gonna make you look like a genius. When people come over and they have to heat something up, they're gonna open it and you're not gonna be embarrassed, and they're gonna be totally jealous, wondering how does she keep a clean microwave? So easy, so quick, and it makes you look like a genius. I hope you enjoyed this Tip Tuesday. If you're curious about how to clean stainless steel, I have a video around that as well, so I'll go ahead and link that below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!